Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be explaining to you the difference between paper and digital wireframes. If you're someone who's just starting off, I'll help you understand which one would be easier to begin with. Alright, so let's dive in.
Looking to learn wireframes and wondering which one to start with, paper or digital wireframes? Well, what is a paper wireframe? It is a quick sketch of what your products or websites could look like. As the name suggests, it is created using pen, paper, and pencils. This is an example of a paper wireframe. As you see, it is created using notebook and pen and paper. Alright, so what is digital wireframe? Digital wireframes are used for the same objective as that of paper wireframes. The only difference is it is created using a digital application like Balsamiq, Figma, Pencil, to name a few. But otherwise, the objective of digital wireframes are same as that of paper wireframe. It is to organize the structure and layout of the applications and websites and get early feedback. So this is an example of a digital wireframe which I have created using a digital application called Balsamiq. So if you're wondering which one is easier, well, according to me, digital wireframes are much easier to learn, create, edit, and share with other users for early feedback.
Now you know the difference between paper and digital wireframes. If digital wireframes are something you want to learn and explore more, I'd recommend you to check this course on Rapid Wireframing Bootcamp. In this Kickstarter Wireframing Bootcamp, you will learn how to write business impact via rapid wireframing. You'll also get hands-on experience of building a wireframe for yourself. And I'll also be sharing with you my wireframing hacks that will save you a lot of time. There are limited seats available, so do sign up right away. Alright, so with that, I'll kind of wrap up this video. Please stay safe and keep learning. Bye!